Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make a powerful instant heating induction soldering iron, which gets ready to solder within just 3 seconds, so make this, and forget old slow heating soldering irons. For which, I designed a simple schematic circuit diagram, and then converted it into the PCB. To avoid messing up on pref board, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. You will get high quality 5 pieces of PCBs for just $2. Then I prepared the PCB for components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB. After little soldering, let's place the IRFZ44 MOSFETs at its place, and solder them too with PCB pads. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl, and our PCB looks nice and clean. Now we need a 25 mm toroidal core, and 0.8 mm copper enamel wire. Wind the 13 turns into the toroidal core. Add a center wire like this, and now it is 6 plus 6 turns. Now pre-solder these pads, and then solder this inductor at its place. Use 2 cardboard pieces like this. Use a washer and a bolt. Insert through the inductor and board, place another piece of cardboard, and a washer, then add the nut. Now use these two-way connectors, and 2 pieces of copper wire. Insert the one end in connector and tighten the screw. Prepare the another connector. Use a resistor and cut its one end. Now fold this wire piece. And use it as heating tip of soldering iron. You can also use a piece of nichrome wire too. Now place the copper hooks on both sides of bolt. And then tighten the bolt, to securely hold at its place. Now our induction iron is almost ready. Use a good heatsink with insulation adhesive. Paste it on the MOSFETs. Also, I 3D printed the cap for push button. Now connect the DC wires into the terminal connector. Before testing, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project without messing on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. On the homepage of JLC PCB website, here you can add the Gerber file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity in the color of PCBs as per your requirements. and then save to cart for checkout. You'll get high quality PCBs within few days, 5 PCBs for just $2. Now back to the testing, you just need to press the push button. The iron will immediately heat up to 380 degrees Celsius, which is enough temperature for soldering work. As you can see, it perfectly works for soldering, and the best about this is, by pressing the button, it immediately is ready for soldering. Also, I would like to let you know, JLC PCB launched other PCB related services like PCB layout designing, which helps you in swiftly transitioning from concept production of PCBs. As a one-stop PCB solution provider, JLC PCB offers from PCB layout to PCB production, PCB assembling to components sourcing, also 3D printing and CNC machining. Just start a layout quote. And here you can upload the schematics related files. You can download the template for instructions, and select the other parameters, and submit the order. Your files will go all these steps during the production of your PCB. And you'll get delivered with high quality PCBs. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.